Get ready, set, go! Alright. Hat? What's your name?
John.
John? How old are you?
3.
You're 3? You want to go down your slide? You want to show Mommy? Come on, let's go down the slide. Ooh, big boy.
Wow.
Hi. Hi, John. You want to go on your slide fast?
Wow.
Wow.
Oh.
John. Hi, everybody. So I love you.
Yeah.
Yeah.